Hi everyone, this is your math guru. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve the following questions on kite by applying various properties of a kite. Please don't forget to click on the like and subscribe button below for more easy to understand math concept. The first question says, given the kite ADEC, find AB. So given the various dimensions as shown, I can start by stating that the line CB is equal to the line BD. And the reason being that one of the properties of a kite states that the long diagonal, in this case, that's AE, bisects the shorter one. So therefore, CB will be equal to BD. So therefore, CB has been giving us 3x plus 6 equals BD, 8x minus 9. Moving all the like terms together, I'm going to move my 3x to the right hand side, and I'm going to move my negative 9 to the left. So therefore, writing my equation, I have 6 plus 9 equals 8x minus 3x. 6 plus 9, that's 15, equals 8x minus 3x, 5x. And in order to find x, I'm going to divide both sides by 5. Therefore, 15 divided by 5, that's 3. X equals to 3. But note that the question says, find AB. AB has been given as 7x minus 1. We've been able to find the value of x as 3. So we have that as 7 times 3 minus 1. 7 times 3, that's 21 minus 1. Therefore, the length AB is equal to 20 units. For the second kite, we have given kite ABCD. Find x and y. So I'm going to start by labeling my kite. I have that as A, B, C, and D. To find xy, one of the properties of a kite also is that the long diagonal, as shown, which is AC in this case, bisects angles at its endpoint. So what that means is the angle at A with the dot will be equal to the other angle x. Likewise, the angle at the bottom, different values, at C will be equal to the other angle. So the long diagonal bisects angles at its x point. So what that means is x will be equal to 40 degrees, and the reason being the long diagonal bisects angles at endpoint. Also, to find y, note that the diagonals of a kite bisect each other at 90 degrees. So if I draw the diagonal DB, what it means is the angle here will be 90, this is 90, this is 90, and also this is 90. So therefore, to find y, I'm going to use that triangle such that y plus 40 degrees plus 90 degrees will be equal to 180 degrees. That is the sum of angles in a triangle add up to 180. Therefore, y plus 40 degrees plus 90, that's 130 degrees, equals 180 degrees. Therefore, my y equals 180 degrees minus 130. Therefore, the value of y will be 180 minus 130, that's 50 degrees. In the last but not the least example, we have find x given kite A, B, C, and D. Note that another property of a kite states that we have one pair of opposite angles equal, and in this case, that will be the angle at D and the angle at B. So what that means is the sum of the angles at D, that's 35 degrees, plus 7x minus 19 degrees will be equal to 4x minus 13 plus 65 degrees. I'm going to write the result. So therefore, simplifying to find x, I have 35 minus 19 on my left-hand side. That is 16 degrees plus 7x equals 4x minus 13 plus 65 will give me 36. Now that will actually give me 52 degrees. So I have plus 52 degrees. And then what I'm going to do is to move my 4x to the left-hand side and move my 16 degrees to the right-hand side. So I'm going to rewrite my equation. I have 7x minus 4x will be equal to 52 degrees minus 16 degrees. 3x is equal to 52 minus 16. That will give me my 36 degrees. To find x, dividing both sides by 3, I have 3 and 3, 1. Therefore, the value of x equals 36 divided by 3, 12 degrees. Thanks for watching. Bye.